we are done with our math, please we'll go to our science. Before we proceed to the next topic, let us review first the living things and non-living things. Okay, what is the smallest living thing that we can find here on earth? Ready? Think. What's the answer? Correct. That is bacteria. How about the largest or the biggest living thing that we can find here on earth? Ready? Think. Say it. Correct. That is the blue whale. How about the tallest living thing that we can find here on earth? Ready? Think. Say it. Correct. It's the redwood tree. Now, I'm gonna give some examples of living things and non-living things. If your answer is living things, you're gonna clap your hand. If your answer is non-living thing, you're gonna snap your finger. Number one, dog. Living things, or non-living things. Ready? Think. Do it. Correct. You're gonna clap your hands because it's living thing. Another example, let's have some redwood tree. The plants, all the plants, redwood tree. Living things or non-living things. Ready? Think first. Do it. That's right. It's living things. Next, what about some diamonds? You like diamonds? Okay, diamonds, living things or non-living things? Do it. Ready? Think first. Do it. That's right. Snap your finger. It's non-living. Let's go to the last one. It's the copper. Okay, living things or non-living things. Ready? Go. That's right. You're gonna snap your fingers because it's non-living things. Now, let's proceed to our next topic. Okay, let's proceed with our next topic. It's the things that what do we get from the earth? There's a lot of things that we can get from the earth, the useful things. And these useful things are what we call resources. Please read, follow after me. Resources means, your turn. Okay, useful things. Your turn. Now, let's read it together. Resources means useful things. Ready? Go. Resources means useful things. So what are these resources that we can get from the earth and it's very useful for us? Okay, number one, we have the air. Okay, there. Can you see the air? Okay. The air, we're gonna need it for us to breathe. The plants need it for them to grow. The animals need it for them to live and to breathe also. If no air, then we're gonna die. Okay, let's go to number two. For number two, it's the soil. Okay, it's important to have the soil. It's useful because if we have soil, we can plant vegetables and trees. If we have some plants and vegetables and trees, then we'll have our food. Okay? These also are the resources that we can get from the earth, food. Now, let's go to the next one, clothing. Okay, from abaca, it's from the plant. Abaca, it's made of abaca, and this one is the Barong Tagalog. It's the national costume for the men. Okay, now after the clothing, we'll have medicine. Okay, the medicine is we can get some plants for us to use as a medicine. Examples, there is the guava leaves and the oregano. Maybe you tried already using oregano, especially if you're having some cough. After the medicine, then we'll have shelter. It's from the plants also, from the trees also. Look, it's made of wood. And the last one is the sand and gravel, used for construction or for constructing buildings, constructing highways, constructing the bridges, even school. So we are so glad that these resources we are enjoying these resources. So let's review what are the resources that we can get from the earth. First is the air. Say air. Number 2, say soil. Number 3, say food. Number 4, say clothing. Number 5, say medicine. Number 6, say shelter. 7, sand and gravel. Okay, now who can tell me all the things? Okay, who can memorize? Air, follow after me. Air, soil, food, clothing, medicine, shelter, sand and gravel. Okay, just give me 5 first. 5. Ready? Think, what are the resources that we can get from the earth? Give me 5. Thinking time. Ta-da-da! Time's up. Okay, please tell me. Ready? Go. Second. Very good. You know already. Because you know already, let's repeat first so that you can still remember what. Okay, resources. Ready? Read. Resources means useful things. Number 1, air. Follow after me. Soil, food, clothing, medicine, shelter, sand and gravel. Okay, now please get your book. Go to page 264. Page 264. I want you to draw 5 resources that we can get from the earth. 5 resources. You know already, right? So it's time for you to just draw, okay? After you draw, for example, you draw there, air, write the name of, write the label. Okay, for example, you draw there food, then write the word food. Okay? Very good. I need 5. Thank you.